materials you will need for this experiment are raisins, a glass, and a sparkling soda such as Sprite or 7-Up. The first thing you do is you pour your soda into your glass. Then, while there is still bubbles, you put in your raisins. And your raisins should start floating and dancing. Here's a close-up. The combination of raisin and carbon dioxide gas is less dense than the raisin alone, so when many bubbles form on the raisin, they lift to the surface. When some of the bubbles break, the density increases, the raisins sink, and the whole process is repeated. This makes the raisins appear to dance. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!